Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know, it's been ages since you saw me. Do you still know me? I really hope so. Yeah, I'm very sorry. I've been very quiet lately because I was working a lot. And I was finishing up my Happy Detox program, and as you know, this program means so much to me. I put my heart and soul into it, and I got amazing results. I have amazing success stories. Yeah, I'm just overwhelmed about it, and I'm just so happy that everything worked out. But that's the reason why I've been so quiet and not uploading on YouTube. On top of that, I finally created the free liver cleanse course for you guys. I know it took me a while, but I got so many requests for this course, so I really put so much effort into it to give you all the information you need in order to do the cleanse properly. So go ahead and check out the link. I will also put it into the description box. And on top of that, I wanted to let you know that I will soon start a new Happy Detox class. So if you missed the first class, you have to enroll into the second class because the feedback was simply astonishing. I got so many amazing success stories. And I really put my heart and soul into this class and into this course. So it makes me so happy to see so many women succeed on this program. And that's basically the reason why I have been quiet and not uploading the last time. And on top of that, I went through a tough time, and I probably gonna do a separate video on that. I was thinking a lot about the future of this channel and where I want to go, and as you already might notice, I changed the outlook, like the design of the banner of my homepage. So if you have not seen it yet, please go and check it out and give me your feedback. I would love to have your feedback on that. What I want to change is that I'm not gonna upload on a fixed day anymore, because I simply have the feeling if I don't manage to upload on a Sunday like promised before, that I'm gonna disappoint you, and I don't want to disappoint you. I don't want to disappoint myself. So I realized it would be better to just turn on notification, and this way you will just get an email as soon as I upload. And this way I can really promise you that I will upload within a week time, maybe even shorter. And yeah, you will just get a notification as soon as I upload. So if you have not yet, please turn on your notifications for my channel. Also on top of that, I really want to upgrade my YouTube channel and bring it like to a next level. So I'm actually working on like improving my skills, and I'm also searching for someone who can help me out. If you have some videos that you can suggest to me or some people, I would love to get your feedback. What else? I traveled a lot. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw that I went to Thailand and to Seychelles. So there is a travel video for you guys in the pipeline that is coming very soon. And on top of that, of course, 2018, you're gonna get lots of helpful videos, lots of what I eat in a day videos. I'm super excited for everything that's to come, and I really hope you're not mad at me for disappearing for this short time. And as I said, I'm gonna be back with a new outlook, with a new video every week. And the thing is that now that I finished the program, I have so much more time for creating content, you know, because before that, like, all my attention was just like finish the program, make it awesome. And now that I manage that, I have a lot more free time to create videos for you. That's why I really believe 2018 will be absolutely amazing, and I cannot wait for everything that's to come. Check out my free liver cleanse course and let me know what you think, because I really value your feedback, and I think it will help you so much. So click the link now, and I see you very soon.